Here you will learn how to install the EOGO invisible speakers. These are the tools you will need. First, hold the speaker on the wall and check it is level. Then draw an outline around the enclosure. Now make a hole by cutting along the outline. The EOGO speakers require a depth of 55 millimeters. Install the two battens on each side of the hole. Pass the speaker cable through a hole in the rear of the speaker enclosure. Insert the enclosure and check it is level with the wall. Next, install the enclosure by screwing it into the battens. Test the speaker cable. Strip the speaker cable. And connect the speaker cable with correct polarity. Remove the tape on the enclosure, insert the speaker, and screw it to the enclosure. Test the other end of the speaker cable. Mix the magic powder with water. Add some PVA glue to the mixture. Brush the mixture over the four sides. Soak the seam tape before applying to the sides. Leave the mixture to dry completely. Finish covering the entire speaker. Then apply the mesh cloth over the speaker. Leave the mixture to dry completely. Now lightly sand and paint. If the material covering the speaker is too thick, it will impact sound quality. Thank you for watching.